In this video, you will learn many useful daily English sentences. These sentences are easily used in real life. My name is Radha. My father's name is Ram. We live in a small village. Our life is simple and quiet. Every morning we wake up early. We wash our faces and pray to God. My father goes to the fields in the morning in fresh air. The sun rises slowly. I feel peaceful at that time. Farming is my life. My father is not a rich man, but he is a very honest and helpful person. He has a small piece of land. His work is very hard. He uses simple tools. He works with his hands. Sometimes he feels very tired, but his heart stays strong. We believe in hard work. We believe in patience. My father is my strength and belief. All days are not the same. Sometimes rain does not come. We feel worried at night. We think about my food and family. But we should not give up. We live with hope. Hope keeps us alive. Some people say farming is useless. They say city life is better. I listen but stay silent. I do not fight with people. We fight hard work. We believe on our land. We trust my work. My father's dream is simple and peaceful. One year was very difficult. The weather was very cold. Our crops started to be destroyed. We felt scared inside. My father sat alone in our field. It was raining more. He prayed with tears. He didn't stop working. After many days, clouds clear, rain falling stopped. We were very happy. The crops looked fresh again. Our crops started to grow. My father worked day and night. We removed the weeds. We smiled while working. We felt of ourselves. Harvest time finally came. We cut crops carefully. Our society helped us. Golden crops were in the field. Our eyes filled with tears of happiness. We felt great. My father went to the market. This time he earned good money. People talked to my father with respect. They smiled at me. I stayed with humble. We remembered our hard days. Money made life easy. I think we should help other farmers. We should share our experiences. They listened carefully. I feel very happy to share. Helping other people is good. I want to open an office for farmers. I want to give a message for a good harvest. I will share good knowledge about seeds. Some people come to my office for knowledge. They face problems bravely. But I stay calm now. Life is not simple. Now my father lives in a happy life. He is just a farmer. He wears simple clothes. He eats simple food when I see him. Our work feeds people. This makes me proud. We do not need fame. We do not need big dreams. Simple life is enough. I learned from my father. Hard work never goes to waste. Patience always wins. Faith makes us strong. Good crops need time and patience. Farmers know what waiting is a part of growing. Farmers do not rush nature. Be like a farmer, plant with hope, work with faith, wait with patience. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.